Hey guys, so we have come up with a new video, that is how to download a record room on the PC. It's very easy. So for that, open your Chrome, then type record room download. You can see this recroom.com website. Tap on that and you will come to this original website of Rec Room. Now tap on the download button. You can see this can be downloaded to Windows 7 or higher. Now tap on the play on PC and your file will be downloaded. You can see it to the left corner. After downloading, you can watch it to the desktop. Now tap on it and install it. So that's it. Thanks for watching it, guys. Hope you like it.